How long will finasteride start working? Will it stop working once you stop taking it? And what are the side effects? The answer coming up.
Sunki.
Finasteride, common brand name Proscar or Propecia, is a 5-alpha reductase inhibitor. It comes in two different strengths, a 1 mg and a 5 mg. The 1 mg is used to treat male pattern hair loss, and the 5 mg is used to treat benign prostatic hyperplasia. Today, we are focusing on finasteride for benign prostatic hyperplasia. Very important note, if you are a woman and you are pregnant, please avoid handling finasteride because accidental swallowing or finasteride powder seeping through your skin, if you have a male baby, it can cause sex organs abnormalities to your baby. If this has happened to you, see your doctor immediately. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and turn on your notification button. This channel is dedicated to improve your health and well-being. Finasteride is a doctor's prescription medication. Before you take it, make sure you tell your doctor if you are allergic to anything, if you have any other medical conditions, or are on any other medicines. How do you take finasteride? Swallow the tablets whole with a glass of water. Swallow whole means whole, which means you're not to cut, break, crush, or chew the tablets. It does not matter if you take it before or after food. Take it at the same time every day to form a habit so you won't forget to take it. Set an alarm to remind you if you need to. Continue to take finasteride for as long as the doctor tells you to. Now, finasteride's effect is not immediate. For benign prostatic hyperplasia, it may take up to 6 months to see the full effect. The effect will only last for as long as you take finasteride. When you stop, the prostate begins to grow again within a few months. Side effects. All medicines, even natural herbal medicines, comes with side effects. Some side effects are severe and need medical attention immediately, but most of these severe side effects are usually rare. Most side effects are mild and short-lived. When a doctor chooses to prescribe you a medicine, he or she would have weighed out the benefit exceeds the risk. Now, I'm about to list some side effects of finasteride. Do not be alarmed by it. You may not even experience any of them. Tell your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any of the following and they worry you. Some of the common side effects of finasteride, which are usually mild, are 1. Difficulty erecting. 2. Decrease in sexual desire. 3. Decrease in semen release during sex. Note, this decrease does not appear to interfere with normal sexual function. In clinical trials, the side effects I just mentioned before disappeared in men who stopped taking finasteride, as well as in many men who continued treatment. Problems with ejaculation that continue after stopping medication have been reported as well, but is infrequent. Tell your doctor if you notice this and it worries you. Some serious side effects which are uncommon that you need medical attention immediately are breast swelling or tenderness. In rare cases, male breast cancer has been reported. Breast lumps, pain or discharge from the nipples, testicle pain, blood in semen, depression, feeling of severe sadness or unworthiness, including suicidal thoughts. If you experience an allergic anaphylactic reaction to finasteride, which is really rare, where you experience shortness of breath, wheezing or difficulty breathing, swelling of the face, lips, tongue, throat, face, or other parts of the body, rash, itching, or hives on the skin, you need to go to the emergency department of the nearest hospital or call the ambulance. Now, besides a pharmacist and running this channel, I am also a singer-songwriter and an actress. I run a second channel where I put my original music and entertainment videos. If you are interested, I will put the link down below for you. Now, let me know what other videos you would like me to make, and please do share your thoughts in the comment section down below. It's your pharmacist Sunki here. See you around.